What's going on YouTube? Tony here recording this video on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in 8K 30. So I'm not sure how long this video will be. Pretty sure it's like there's got to be a cap limit on it, maybe about 10 minutes. First time I use it, so I'm not sure exactly. Come on, Sam. But it does look good on the viewfinder so far. I'm out here with my dog and I'm on my bike. So I'm holding this handheld. Beautiful day, you can see the sun glare there. I'm not sure how that's going to turn out on video, but it does seem pretty stable. Pretty nice quality here on the viewfinder. What do you think, Sam? Does it look good? Let me go ahead and look at the sun glare. You can see the sun glare. Come on, Sam. Come on, this way. This way, buddy. So we are in 1 minute 22 seconds. And so far, the camera has been holding up wonderfully. Come on, Sam. Come on, Sam. You don't want to play frisbee with me. But I've been enjoying the phone. I did a little smart garage door. I went ahead and installed this kit that I bought on Amazon. I'll probably upload another video on that later today. But very easy installation. If you guys don't have a smart garage door opener and you want to get something that's affordable that'll work basically with any garage door, you should check out this video that I'm about to upload when I get back later. It's already installed. I should have recorded the installation, but pretty easy process. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's a little module that works over Wi-Fi. You connect it to your phone, and it basically replicates the button that you have already in your garage, but it does it via that little where are you going? Over here. Come on. What are you doing? It replicates your garage door button. So it works on your phone. It also works over Google Assistant. Works really good over the Google Assistant. You can get it to close, but you can't get it to open unless you put a pin on the app itself, and then you enter the app, you enter the pin, and then you can use the Google Assistant to open it up. It's pretty neat. I haven't set that part up yet because I just installed it today, maybe about an hour or so ago, and my dog was just harassing the crap out of me, so I could take him out for a walk. So he's got a lot of energy built up. So that's what we're doing now. Check out the moon. You can see the moon during the day. I took a photo using this phone, and at nighttime the moon was like a half moon, so it didn't come out that great. But a full moon like this tonight, I might try to take a photo of that later on today too also. But yeah, it is cold. Sam, where are you going? It is cold. It's like 30 something degrees. I forgot to bring my gloves. Ooh, my hands are freezing. No gloves. But yeah, we're going in 4 minutes. 4 minutes 9. His dog time goes up. 4 minutes 18 seconds with the 8K 30. That's got to look real good on my 4K TV. I don't have 8K, so I don't know if anybody will be able to enjoy this footage. 8K 30, but it can be done with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I believe all the other Samsung devices can record. So I'm hitting 5 minutes. Let's see if this will pass the 5 minute mark on the 8K 30. Let's see. 1, boom, and it's still going. So I guess it'll do maybe 10 minutes. 4K 30. Pretty nice. Let me know down in the comments how the audio is, how my dogs rattle from the little baggies thing that's hanging on there. You guys can hear that. Oh, where are you going? Anyway, my hands are too freaking cold. I gotta pause this. I want to keep going to see how long I can record with the video, but I just can't do it. I forgot my gloves. My hands are, ooh, they're red. They're so cold. But yeah, let me do the focus. I'll focus on here. Focus on the pole. Everything else in the background gets blurred out. And then that works pretty good on the 8K. Let me do this down here. Look at that focus. Pretty nice. We're in 6 minutes in. I'm guessing this will do all the way up to 10. But you have to stay tuned for another video on that because my hands are froze. We out.